It's easier to put mascara on when I'm sitting in your lap. Okay.
Oh.
Look down. What do you think is my type? Because my head was like this on the back of the go-kart. Hey y'all, it's Addison Ray, and I'm here with my beautiful mom, Sherry. And today we're gonna be doing a little makeup. Get ready. I'm gonna be doing my mom's makeup. Good luck. And we're gonna be answering some questions and telling some stories in honor of Mother's Day. Mom, you were a makeup artist, so don't judge me too hard.
So I'll coach you?
I guess.
Okay, let's start with eyes. We're gonna start with the light color all over.
Well, what if I don't want to do a light color all over?
Yeah, because I don't think there is one that you can do.
This.
I don't think you want to do that.
I can try it.
Oh.
It's a good base color.
Are you sure it's not too white?
No.
Okay.
It's really not. It's like just the perfect shade. I have some fun questions for my mom, and I'm gonna ask you them, and then you can answer them. What's a funny story about me from my childhood?
It's funny and it's terrifying at the same time.
That's like every story of me.
When you were riding the go-kart and your hair was so long and it was flying in the wind.
So, long story short, short story short, I was driving a go-kart and I was with my little brother Enzo, and when I was driving it, I had really long hair at the time. My hair is like decently long now, but it was like down to my butt. I was driving and the wind was blowing and my hair got like tangled into the tire and the chain of the go-kart, and then my hair like yanked back, and then the engine was like burning it off because I couldn't stop the go-kart from like being on because my head was like this on the back of the go-kart. So my hair was just falling out. I remember you were so mad at me when my hair was falling out. I remember you were like, I can't believe this. So next up I'm going in with this brighter purple color. I already did like the base color. When I'm doing that, I'll ask another question. Oh, question for me. What is the one thing you haven't told your mom lately that she needs to hear? You need to hear that you are appreciated and very loved, and you're a great mom. So, yeah. You already know everything else. I don't need to say too much, you know.
No, keep going. You could say a bunch.
Okay. So I just put a blue under her eyes for no reason, but hopefully it...
Whoa.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty good.
Okay.
Okay, wait, let me ask another question. Question for Addison. What is a beauty tip that you learned from your mom growing up? I feel like everything. I learned everything from my mom. I mean, that was the first person, I think you were the first one who did my makeup ever for dance competitions and stuff. I kind of had to learn for myself for dance competitions too. But probably like, if you're gonna do a bold eye, do like a calm lip, you know? And then if you do like a bold lip, then do like a subtle eye. I feel like maybe that's what you taught me. Next question. Question for Sherry. What is the one thing you learned from Addison about doing your makeup? Not even one thing. What is the thing that you learned from me doing your makeup?
The makeup tip or trick that I learned from you would be overlining my lips.
Well, I'm very glad I could help you with that.
And I have done it ever since, like for a very long time.
All right. That was just a little moment, but I think I should go in with the purple. So I'm just gonna blend on the top of her crease to give it a little bit more color. It almost just changed the color of the glitter. Question for both. What is one item in the other person's closet that you wish they would throw away? You steal everything from my closet, so all your closet is pretty much my stuff. But if I had to choose, I pretty much don't mind anything you wear.
I have a lot actually. There's like a ruffle shirt for sure.
Okay, come on.
I'm serious. I don't say anything.
No,
but now
she doesn't say anything. She makes a face like this.
Asked.
So I'm using my Item Beauty Lash Snack. I love this mascara, so we're gonna give my mom some good lashes with it. It's easier to put mascara on when I'm sitting in your lap. Okay.
Oh.
Look down.
Okay.
Well, what are you doing? What is one trait that we both picked up from each other? What do you do that you know I do?
Oh, give me that.
Oh my gosh. You just scared me. Okay.
You scared me. I thought you were gonna poke my eye
No,
out.
you did not. You know I wouldn't.
Oh my
what is
gosh. What is
these
going
are
on
blushes
here?
too. What's your face?
Do not zoom in. Do not.
Mom, put the palette down.
There is eyeshadow all over down here.
I'm a
Ooh,
blushaholic.
that's pretty.
Yeah, I know. Wait, this is actually looking really nice. You should go out after this.
Take me out.
What do you think is my type?
Oh, goodness.
Yep, we're talking partners. We're talking about people that I date. What's my type?
Honestly, the truth,
No type. I have no type.
I can't.
Right? I don't have
know.
a type, huh?
You have confused me totally.
People get exhausted trying to figure me out, and I just let them.
Oh, that tickles.
You do this to yourself.
I know, but it doesn't tickle.
Look at that.
Look
Wait,
at you.
that actually looks kind of good, right? Am I crazy, or does that look kind of good?
No, I like it.
Really? She's so shocked. Right? That looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, looking at the phone. Okay. It looks a little crazy.
Oh
Let me see. Actually, it's not that bad.
no. I partied all night.
No, it's like a party concert look, and you slept in your makeup.
Yeah.
I said that in the beginning, right? Well, we had fun, and that's all that matters,
So
right?
You get a 10 for that.
10 for the fun and a -4 for the in-person reaction. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun with my mom, and thank you IPSY for giving us all these options. And don't forget to stream Obsessed. Don't forget to shop Item Beauty. Matter of fact, I forgot to spray you at the end.
You sprayed
This
me
is
in the beginning.
yeah, I sprayed at the beginning. I forgot the end. Okay, so this is the final touch. Isn't it smell so good?
It's so good. My mouth.
ShopItemBeauty.com. Don't forget to follow IPSY on everything as well. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers and mother figures out there. I love you guys so much and hope you enjoyed.
Happy Mother's Day.